We back at part two with the foolery. Okay, so let me give you guys some real numbers right now. Okay, this isn't the market that it was when we had to take the jab, or those of you who took the jab. Okay, this isn't the market where diesel was $2.50 a gallon. The average market price right now for diesel, pretty much, is a little over $5 a gallon. Let's say you have a box truck, right? We're talking about box truck market. We're going to go box truck market. You have two 50-gallon tanks on each side on that truck, okay? We're going to do the math. A calculator right here, okay? Let's say right now at $5 a gallon, 100 gallons of fuel, that's $500, okay? Plus, if you are paying, let's say minimum, you're paying your driver 50 cents a mile, and you're going 1,000 miles, okay? 1,000 miles. So that's going to be another $500, okay? Let's add $30 on DEF. $30 on DEF. Okay, there you go. All right. Now, the insurance average on each driver, depends on the decent, and some of these boogers y'all hiring. Let's just say the insurance is $1,400 a month. So they're going to do $1,400 a month, 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's say $350 a week. So I'm going to add the $350 to that, okay? For the insurance, okay? Now you're going through, not Oklahoma, but you're going through Nevada or New Mexico. Let's go to New Mexico. And they charge you $25 fee to go through, because you have, sometimes those stations are open. You have to pay to get the permit for the one day. Okay, $25. Okay. Now we're gonna add that up. We're at $1,405 right now, just to get started. All right. So $1,405. Let's say your load is paying $2,500. Minus $1,405, okay? That's $1,095, all right? So let's do this here. $1,095 times times 3%, okay? We'll take $34 out of that, okay? You're at $1,060, okay? All right, so that's just to start the trip, okay? Now you have $1,060. You still have to factor in the amount of what it costs to run your, now if you run your DAT board, you got to take some of that percentage out of that to see where you are. So let's just say you're going to take about another let's say $10 per truck for your DAT board, okay? And then you have to also factor in the fact that we forgot one more thing. That was one tank of fuel, okay? At $500 to fill up. It's going to take you a second tank. You're at $1,060 minus 500. You're at $560. We're just there. Explain to me how you're making $35,000 a week. I'll wait. How? You have $560 right there. Let's forget another thing. You got an enterprise truck. Let's say you didn't buy a truck. You have an enterprise truck. And an enterprise truck is costing you $500 a week. We're already at $560. You got $60. I'll do one better for you. Let's say the enterprise truck is $400 a week. You got $160. Now, Enterprise, from my experience, unless the game has changed, they charge you a weekly plus mileage. So at $2.50 a mile, let's say you get $2.50 a mile on a $2,500 trip. You're gonna do that for $160 or $60. So you've made shit. Explain to me, and you know who you are, how you made $25,000, $35,000 a week. Now you got 10 trucks. So you still got 10 trucks. So you got 10 trucks times, and they all made $2,500 loads average. Okay. You made $600 at $60 each for the day. Now keep in mind, that truck is not going to get there if it leaves today. It's not going to get there today. You're going to drive 1,000 miles in a box truck. But what you guys are doing, you're doing hood trucking. And I kind of see what you're doing. You'll run over the 10-hour legal limit, 11 hours, to try to get there to the next day. I'm going to come back on this one in a minute.